everyone, welcome to Yogbela. I am Preeti. आज है day 21 of acceptance series. Theme है feel strong. First of all, congratulations on completing 20 days of acceptance series. Motive of acceptance series, this 30-day yoga challenge, is to show up every day. No asana practice today. Today is the day to rest, relax, and acknowledge how last 20 days made you stronger. Today is the day to feel strong. You truly deserve this day of rest. You have earned it. Think of day 1 when we started this journey, and now when you are on day 21, there would have been days when you felt like dropping the challenge, but you continued. There would have been hurdles, but आपने उन hurdles को overcome किया. I congratulate you for overcoming these hurdles. You are stronger than you think. Take this day as an opportunity to rejuvenate. Only 9 days left in this challenge. We have come so far. Let's make it to the end. Before we wrap up, let's congratulate and motivate each other on completing 20 days of journey. And if these 20 days made you stronger, write I am strong in the comment section. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Yoga Nidra. Till then, enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.